Abbas, Engineer Abbas.
He's going to Sabata today. Last step. So now this is
The UV light.
yeah. UV lights. You have 3 UV lights. You have 2 here.
Other side.
We'll replace this one first. The short one.
Always like this, also my own hospital. We have
We
one
have,
more. And also you see
Yeah. You need to power off already.
yeah, turn off.
Need to remove power.
There's no real electrical connection there you were gonna touch.
Already damaged, huh? See, black already. Yes. It's all the same, no?
No,
Huh?
no, they're not the same. These two are the same. This is different. The SM has a smaller.
Short one.
Yeah, that's.
So in that side is the short one.
Yeah, only one short. They're easy to do. You know, it's just if you need a 2.5. That's about it. For this one. But for resetting it, we have to do it. I'll turn it on to reset it.
Yeah, okay.
So if you replace it,
This one you need to change or no need?
it's not
2020.
showing up. It's
2024. October. We have also
we can
this one.
replace it.
I will replace the one.
Yeah, if you have it, we can replace it.
This is not the
This one there is UV light or no? Small one. No. I think no. Long time we did not.
No. This is no, but it has EDI.
Mm.
This is 230, the other one 260. Okay, not too much at all. It's almost there. That's all there. I don't know, I am not the one. I think Mexican program, maybe road block. I don't know, I am not the one who has this.
Ito guys, replace ng UV light. There is a lifespan of that UV light
Yeah, it's usually about one.
because this is only first time we replace
It's usually
since we installed this machine.
top. It can go. No external factors at all. Like optimum around 2 years.
2 years?
if we're talking about like optimal settings, everything is
Okay.
in top shape. Usually, sometimes you replace them every year.
Mhm.
Times. And you have to like be careful with it. To
Yes.
Not, even that one, you have to be careful so
Yes.
to not jam it.
Maybe you no need to touch also that one with your hands
Yeah,
because
yeah.
sensitive.
They're sensitive, but
Yeah.
we're used to it, so
But
it's
mostly for the UV lights, it's
Yeah.
very sensitive.
like I said, we're used to it, so we don't really. These in their housings, yes. This is. Yeah, this is. I think one of them was a price for you because they're different.
Mm. I think you need to remove the cover up
This
side.
Yeah, this side has not been replaced
Mm.
because this only comes from like the factory.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Not it replace, huh?
This is how you know it's hasn't most likely hasn't been replaced.
Yeah.
You know, they try to make it everything super tidy. It's okay-ish.
Yes, I think still okay the oil,
Yeah, the clothes are okay, but you can see some.
but some already sparked, of course, because long time.
Yeah. Or replace it regardless. You know, you don't want to replace it, like not replace it, and
Mm.
come back.
Better to replace in one time.
Yeah, especially with these, they're, you know, do you want them? There's, since we're in here, might as well just replace everything we need to replace.
Yes, yes. Because last time when I called Engineer Abbas, he told me to make a request for this lamp. So when it comes, I
See,
yeah
this is clean.
clean and still, of course this not in use.
Yeah. Right. Alrighty. Hey, look. knows when it's a used one.
Yeah. There is a time also monitoring here. That's why you need to
It detects
replace.
if
Yeah.
it's a new filter or not. That one there's no detection.
Then you need to reset.
Yeah, I'll reset these buttons. Let's start the program process. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, I just have to reset these now.
Yeah, just reset the count.
Sorry, you can't take a video because there's gonna be a passcode.
No problem.
Still not program push, so I'll just do the report.
Guard flashing.